Okay, let's continue. The next one is border style. The border of the chart enable automatically. You can disable the border. Okay, we enable the border again. And you can set the border thickness here. Let's set 15. You see? And the border opacity appear and disappear, and in the middle, okay, appear. And there are two types of border can be set: solid and gradient. If you choose solid, you can choose one color, green, so the border becomes green, you see. And if you select the gradient, the property is same as fill type here we talked before. The last property of background is effect. Let's enable it and select blur. You see, chart become blur, and enable the top shadow. Okay, let's enable. Change here. Okay. And set the distance of the drop shadow like 10. You see here, drop the shadow and the angle where you want. Did you see the change? Okay. And the color is green. You see? And you also can set the X and Y, and let's just, and you also can do the inner shadow. We disable the drop shadow below. Okay, enable shadow. Inner shadow. Inner shadow. You see the shadow here? Distance change to 20. Oops. Inner shadow. And where's the inner shadow? And the property of the inner shadow is same as the drop shadow. And the bevel make inner shadow and the glow, and the inner glow, the property setting are the same. And the bevel make the chart as 3-dimensional, like here. Okay, first the distance we can choose like 10. And angle and highlight color green, and the shadow color red. Yeah. The property setting is same as others, but just a path base. Okay, let's enable the effect and continue to introduce the title. Okay, you can enable the title or disable the title. Now here we enable the title and input the text as demo. So here becomes demo. All others like product sales. You see? Yeah. And the change of the position to the top or left here, or right here, or bottom here. And you also can change the font size here and color. And the font effect that enable it. The property setting is same as the background. And we just pass this, have a look at the next one, legend. We enable legend and set the position left or right or top or bottom. Okay, we set on right. This is the legend. And the title, demo. So the name of the legend changed. And you also can set the icon or text of the legend in format. Next one is axis. We delete the present chart. Delete the chart. And make a new chart to show it clear. Okay. Now, if you disable y-axis, it will appear like this. Let's enable it. Y-axis locate on the left. If you click the position opposite, the y-axis will come to right side. And you also can input your title of y-axis like sales. You can see the y-axis change like Y sales. And zoom here means scroll bar appear in y-axis here. Now it's aligned. If you enable, so you can see scroll bar here. If you have more data, it would be used. And the rotation is for the word rotation, like here. Did you see it wrote? Okay. And the setting of y-axis is same as y-axis. Okay, let's continue to look at data source. Here. There are three kinds of data source here. We introduced in details in grade. So we select the JNDI and sample data and input, select quarter, product, sold from product, sold equal, where year equal 2011, and select quarter as select quarter as series and product set as y, and third set as y-axis, and press apply. Now the data shows in the chart. We just enable the loop here as it's clear. Okay. And the next property is animation. It includes the type and interpolation type and the show mode. Okay, the next filter. The filter we will introduce its advanced application later. So now we just run the present chart we created. Okay, to remember we should save this like happy. See, and the chart we created will appear in the browser. That's the end. Thank you.